Welcome back to another tutorial for the Kaiju number 8 game. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can purchase dimensional crystals within this game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up Kaiju number 8 on your device. And after you have completed the basic tutorial levels, you will gain access to the main menu. From here, you can go into the shop option at the bottom. And now within the shop menu, you have various different purchases that you can make. You can find various packages that are recommended for you within the recommended tab as well. And you can browse through them and decide whether you are interested. You can also find various offers within the store purchase. In order to purchase your dimensional crystal pack, just choose the package that you are interested in. And now, in order to proceed to the payment, click on OK. You will then be taken into your Steam payment page. You may proceed with your Steam wallet balance, or you can click on the Add Funds option to choose a different payment method. Once you have chosen a payment method from the drop-down menu, just enter your credentials followed by your billing information. After you proceed with the Continue button, the transaction will be completed and the reward will be added to your account within the game right away. And after this point on, you can use your dimensional crystals to make various other purchases and upgrades within the game. So there you have it. That is how you can buy dimensional crystals on the Kaiju number 8 game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.